Hey, it's Kevin from WP Engine, and here's what's new in the WP Engine user portal. For customers who are requesting migrations from other hosts, the Manage Migration Request form now accepts bulk submissions to reduce the admin time required to submit managed migration requests.
When starting a migration, you have the option to use our automated migration plugin, do it yourself through a manual upload, or let us do it for you through a managed migration request to our team of migration experts. If you need us to migrate multiple sites for you, press the Migrate Sites button to open the new bulk migration request form. Give your site a name, enter the details of your source site, the destination account, and any notes you want to pass along to our team. And that's it. Each migration then gets added to your queue, spins up a new site in the destination account, and generates a support ticket where you can keep in touch with our team throughout the migration process.
For customers who are moving sites between accounts, site transfers can now be self-served from the user portal to remove the wait time previously required for a support team member to complete the site transfer.
To begin a site transfer, open the gear menu and select Transfer Site. Confirm the source account that you are migrating from and the destination account you are migrating to. If a data center migration is required as part of the site transfer, you'll get a heads up before the transfer begins. You can also choose to put the site into maintenance mode during the site transfer to prevent your site from changing while the transfer processes. Once the site transfer begins, you'll see a handy status notice to let you and your team know that the site is on its way. Follow the transfer step by step as progress is made. And finally, get alerted when the transfer completes.
For customers who are monitoring performance, actionable metrics and insights are now available in the user portal to identify areas that would benefit from further performance optimization.
To access the new and improved Insights page, navigate to Insights and then Performance. Below the Google Lighthouse reports, you'll find the new WP Engine Site Performance Score. This new metric combines an underlying latency score and cache score over the last 7 days to reflect how your site's performance is meeting visitor expectations, especially during periods of high traffic. When you're ready to take action, use the Metric Comparison panel to learn how metrics like latency relate to other metrics like error rate, cache hit ratio, and your busiest traffic days. You can even pinpoint your slowest pages that are ripe for optimization.
For customers who are sharing site health metrics with their clients, site report PDFs can now be generated in the user portal to reduce the admin time required to deliver polished reports on a recurring basis.
To access the new Site Report Builder, navigate to Insights and then Reports. Create your first report, give it a title, and select the pages to include, such as Lighthouse scores and opportunities for desktop and mobile, as well as plugin and theme reports. Press Create Report to generate the PDF, download it, and then share it with your team members or clients.
For customers who are using Smart Plugin Manager with a staging environment, theme and plugin updates can now be tested on staging to prevent downtime of the production environment.
To start testing theme and plugin updates on staging, go to the Products page, select Smart Plugin Manager, find an environment with SPM enabled, edit settings, and then scroll down and check Enable Testing Updates. The next time Smart Plugin Manager runs, your updates will be verified on staging before the production site is updated.
Now that's confidence online.